going on?
What's going on, guys? At Cayuga, CSCS, couple sessions, ready to slay some tires.
Yeah, we got 3 cars out here today.
Where's the YouTube voice? Where's the YouTube voice? Turn it on. Turn it on? Yeah, turn on the YouTube voice. No, it's not. Show me your YouTube voice. Alright.
What's up, Big Chungus here? So, we're down a car today. We've only got three stooges. What's up? All good? And we got our session in about 15 minutes, then we'll get on the track. And I'm talking. Ciao.
Alright, let's rip.
Well, Callum's Valinos. Look at these. Look at these. There is lots of tread left all day. 420 wheel SR. My 300 wheel SR has absolutely decimated this one. It is delaminated crazy.
That's nuts.
Yeah, multiple spots.
I'm hyped.
I can say this one might be from an e-brake. This one, come on, that's no e-brake slide. Look how long that thing is. That's delaminated.
Yeah, look at this nice release the air, man.
But this, yeah,
feel
look
the
how gooey
rubber.
they are. That's his, this is my other side. One side's fine. So I don't know what it is, man. But Polinos are awesome, but I don't know what I did to mine. We'll see.
Oh my god! Yeah, as soon as you initiated, it felt so slick.
Yeah. What am I gonna do? I'll just hang in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's breaking up or something.
Yeah?
It's running on 3.
I can hear it.
I think it's a bad coil now.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I'll have a look now.
Okay.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened, Billy?
Broke my toe arm.
First, what do they call it?
Session?
First session. Toe arm snapped where it was previously fixed.
Well, I always kept new ones in the car because I always used to make sure just in case, and today was the day.
So we gotta hunt someone down. Session got hairy. Callum thinks he's an FD driver.
Buddy,
He gave me a love tap.
a nice scope. That's actually so perfect though. Like that. Look at that. Look at that. Buddy.
I can probably take most of it off. Oh, you can take it
Oh my
off.
God, it comes off. It's coming off.
Callum doesn't want to rub off it.
Don't rub off the marks. It rubs right off. I put a tire on him.
Give me a love tap.
That's these two. Bro. Fuck, I didn't do shit today.
Oh, we have 3? Wow.
Ah,
You
let's
hold it
see.
like that?
You won your spelling bee?
In a train.
like that.
Callum did not win a spelling bee, I'll tell you
Oh,
that.
Second
Hold
place,
yours like
runner
that.
up in the spelling bee.
Like a dick, and then I'm like here.
This is a
You took home some hardware.
best team tandems.
And Callum won a
Way to
spelling
go,
bee.
guys.
Not me. My car's
First, Callum won a spelling bee and we won tandem.
Yeah. Callum with win.
I can't believe. I'm happy I put a mark on him. You know, that's
Yeah.
like that's
Oh,
been
you-
like.
oh,
We showed it, we showed it.
I wanted to put a mark on Callum, but my car broke. So,
Do I still have the sensor? I might have it in my, oh, I don't have it in my pocket.
so next time we go, I want to fucking punt his door. Yeah, today was a good event. CSCS always puts on a great event, but
Yeah, they did their shit. It's awesome.
yeah, we're all packed up. We're gonna get some food. It's hot.
Nice steak.
Just one car going.
We'll see you next time.
Like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.